All right, good evening, everybody. It's Matt, 417 Storm Chasers. Kind of do another weather update, kind of talk about the next 24 to 48 hours, what kind of weather we could have impacting us, and kind of what the plan is from the 417 Storm Chaser crew. We'll also be going live here in about an hour with the Midwest Meso Project guys. And if you don't catch that, it'll be over on YouTube. But yeah, talk about what we are looking at. I think it's going to be a couple of rounds. I think the first one's going to start probably tomorrow night. Um, Looks like it's probably going to be more to the north of our area to begin with, around like 10, 11 o'clock. I'm going to get this transitioned over. So this is the GFS model. A lot of the models they're really scattered right now, but this model pretty much, I think, shows the best on what the kind of possibilities are. You see, as the night progresses, this is 1 o'clock. You're getting more storm activity up here to the north. But then I think really down for the 417 area is, about 4 o'clock. You can see it's kind of made its way through here. And I think this will be round one. And then we'll kind of get a little bit of a break and then a recycle kind of around. So this is 10 o'clock here. You can see this tail starts to form back up. And then, oop, went too far. Yeah. So, um, yeah, I think it'll be a couple of waves. And I think as it goes on, it'll push off to yeah, see, by Sunday at 7, it's already pushed off out of Missouri. But I mean, we're going to have a lot of the ingredients are going to be there. Let's go over to see will the H triple R go that far? Yeah, so this is the H triple R. I really like it. So this shows. So this is Saturday at 2. You can kind of see out here in Kansas. This is kind of that same front line, first line. Um, it could wind up being a linear format, but I mean it very well could be some discrete cells too. It'll all just depend on how it interacts with the moisture and the front, to whether it's going to be able to sustain um, individualized supercells, or if they're going to be more of a linear format. I do think with these, especially these afternoon ones, they're probably going to be, kind of all modes of severe weather are going to be possible with them. See here, this is 8 a.m. Saturday. We're getting it to build out here in Kansas, and then it's going to push its way over to us. See, this is that linear format that I was talking about. It may hold, but there's definitely going to be. I mean, let's see, let's check Cape value at that time. Yeah, I think it's really going to be more as we go on in the day and we get that afternoon heating. The afternoon's really what I think is going to be more of the issue. This HRR doesn't go out that far yet. But I mean, here we're looking at 1100 Cape values with virtually no inhibition. So, and you can see right here, we could be looking at a little low level shear. So, this is definitely going to be a time that I personally think we're going to need to watch would be Saturday afternoon. We're going to get that first round kind of come through, wet everything down, make it super humid, and then get some kind of storm redevelopment in the afternoon. But um, yeah, so I'm just going to kind of keep this quick. That's what we're really looking at. We're looking at kind of 2 rounds. First thing tomorrow night into the morning, and then more the afternoon. I think is going to be the bigger threat for the 417 area from, you know, Oklahoma over. I really see that being. We're going to be out. I think we're going to have two chase vehicles out um, this trip. We are going to have the ground probe out, at least one. So we're going to be looking to get on a storm to deploy that. And then we will be live streaming all that. And then, kind of after dark, if it's still going on, then we'll be here at the studio and we will, gonna offer the same storm coverage we always do. So that will be kind of kicking off tomorrow about 11 o'clock, and we will update you more as stuff comes, as new model data comes out, or if there's anything new, we'll upload another video. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Bye.